Okay, there are more. Suman, there are more CBI officials here, and I hear them say jump करके जाना पड़ेगा. So looks like there's no way left. Sir, बस ये notice सिर्फ इतना बता दीजिए. Will you summons issue करके आएंगे या arrest करके
where the SP offers the
coming in, being extremely tight-lipped. The one who I was trying to ask whether they're here to arrest or not. But from the numeric strength of CBI at 115A Jorbagh, looks like that they have plans of taking Mr. P. Chidambaram to CGO complex, whether with his consent or by force.
Right, Arunima, Bhupendra here. I'm just looking at these pictures. As I look at these pictures, and I was just also looking at the pictures which were sent to by you a short while back, where we saw Kapil Sibal and Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who reached the residence of Mr. Chidambaram, and they were all trying to see through what is there inside the complex, inside this house where Mr. Chidambaram has lived for the better part of the last 4 to 5 years. It was almost as if the legals of the Congress party thought that the CBI or ED team had already reached there, but it appears that CBI and the ED team reached it a little late. And just look at that. Where else would you see?
Enforcement Directorate or CBI?
Where else would you see? Where else would you see these pictures that you're seeing? All right, Arunima, just tell us who's this person that you were talking to?
Yeah, sir, are you a member of the CBI or the Enforcement Directorate? I can see you're trying to get inside. Can you tell us a little about yourself, sir? Are you part of the investigating agencies? You're not. Are you a resident here? No. Okay, he's not a resident. He's not part of the investigating agencies.
Is he a lawyer?
But he's clearly looking for a way to enter inside.
Is he an aide of Mr. Chidambaram?
Is he a lawyer? Sir? Are you a lawyer? Sir, are you a lawyer? Okay, no answer at all, Zaka. I can tell you the Enforcement Directorate team is also here, much smaller in number, and they have not managed to yet enter, but the ED team is also here. The CBI team has managed to get in. Some of them are still there, guarding the elevator, while others have gone up to the first floor, trying to speak to Mr. P. Chidambaram, who is right now accompanied by Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Kapil Sibal, and Arshdeep. So there are 3 lawyers there, at least with Mr. Chidambaram, and the numbers of the CBI would be, around 15 to 18, could be more.
What happens henceforth, Arunima? Arunima, I'm just trying to understand, as I look at these pictures, and you were just trying to take us through the images of this individual who we don't know. Well, for the looks of it, it does appear that he could well be a CBI officer or an ED officer. There are only 3 people today, and we must make it very clear as we look at these pictures. There are only 3 kinds of people who would be thinking in terms of getting inside the residence of Mr. Chidambaram. So it could either be a CBI official, it could be an ED official, or it could be a lawyer. On the left side, in fact, we can see live pictures. There you have, you can just see a brief glimpse of where Mr. Chidambaram is. Arunima, we've interacted with Mr. Chidambaram on multiple occasions. Yeah, Arunima, if you can just ask the cameraman just to give us a close-up of that window. We're there on the window, just give us a close-up of that window, because I think I saw Abhishek Manu Singhvi there, right through that window where you are focused right now. So can
you close in on that window on top?
Yeah.
Sumit Jaguri, can you close in on that window? No, just go right and a little tilt up a little more. Yes,
Yeah,
that's the window. Zoom in there. That's the window you're talking about, Bhupen. I think. Yes, Abhishek Manu Singhvi did peep in for a bit from there. Yes.
So what I'm trying to just to give our viewers a sense of what we're looking at. The house that Mr. Chidambaram lives in, it has a basement where he runs a legal office, and that is where usually he has his conferences or he has his legal meetings. And then there is his house, his sort of living area, which is there on the first floor. The pictures that we're seeing now are pictures on the first floor. Arunima, anyone else now around you who is attempting to get inside the residence of Mr. Chidambaram?
Sumit, if you just pan a little towards that side and see show more people standing on the wall. Most there are now from the media, I think. The people who were trying to get inside, either from the CBI or the Enforcement Directorate, most have managed to either...
और नाज़रीन, इस वक्त लगातार हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं कि चिदम्बरम और सीबीआई के बीच जो आंख मिचोली खत्म हो चुकी है। बेहद अहम खबर, चिदम्बरम की रिहाइशगाह से सीबीआई ने गिरफ्तार किया है। हमने देखा कि किस तरह से सीबीआई के जो ऑफिसर्स थे वो बाकायदा दीवार कूद कर चिदम्बरम के घर में दाखिल हुए हैं और 15 से 20 ऑफिसर्स सीबीआई की टीम की ये तादाद बताई जा रही है। जोरबाग से हम आपको ये अहम खबर दे रहे हैं। चिदम्बरम की रिहाइशगाह से तमाम तर लाइव तस्वीर आप देख रहे हैं। सीबीआई की टीम जिसमें 15 से 20 ऑफिसर्स हैं वो शामिल हैं और चिदम्बरम की रिहाइशगाह से ये हम आपको लाइव तस्वीर देख रहे हैं। किसी भी वक्त चिदम्बरम की गिरफ्तारी हो सकती है। हाई वोल्टेज ड्रामा लगातार चिदम्बरम के जोरबाग जहां पर रिहाइशगाह
स्टेटमेंट कमिंग फ्रॉम टीम चिदम्बरम after this press conference, and while the entire country is looking at these pictures which are being brought to us by you guys live across the country, people are tuned in, they are glued in to all this action which is unfolding. Never before would you have seen these pictures where to speak to someone who's as high profile a leader as Mr. Chidambaram, you will see officials from the Enforcement Directorate and the Central Bureau of Investigation jumping across the wall. Now, why would they be thinking in terms of jumping across the wall? Because as many times that I myself have gone and interacted with Mr. Chidambaram, there is a gate and there is a guard there. I don't know where is the guard. Arunima, anything else that you can spot?
I hear you because there are some Congress workers who are here, who are shouting. I don't know whether they're Congress workers or probably, okay, they're shouting Chidambaram Gaddar hai. So I'm presuming he's not from the Congress party. But there's a lot of commotion here. All kinds of people now gathering outside Chidambaram's house. So I think the Delhi police as well help will be required by CBI and ED. I will not be surprised if Delhi police is called in to barricade this area if the CBI or the ED has any plans of taking Mr. Chidambaram away from Jorbagh to either CGO complex or to the ED headquarters.
All right, Arunima, I want you to take a good position and give us a good frame. Let me in the meantime just talk to Pallavi Ghosh as well, who's also right outside the residence. Pallavi, Karti Chidambaram, the son of Mr. Chidambaram, is now tweeting and he's putting up a response. He's saying this is a political witch hunt. Outrageous media leaks are the preferred tactics of the Enforcement Directorate, and he's tagging the ED as well. Pallavi, what is Mr. Chidambaram's strategy henceforth? Does he want to go to the ED or CBI office?
See, what he told the party leaders, and this was once the decision was taken by the Supreme Court to refer the matter to Friday, he told them very clearly, I'm not going to play this cat and mouse game. This is getting tiring and I cannot sustain myself for the next 48 hours. He hasn't shown his preference. That's what sources close to him have told me. Whether it's the CBI, whether it's the ED, he said it's really up to them what they want to do. I'm going back to my house, I'm going to freshen up, and I'm getting the pictures from outside this study room. The room that you're seeing those pictures coming in, where we also saw pictures of Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who been actually, that's his study room, that's where he does all his work and reading up to do, and that leads up also to the living room of Chidambaram, and the basement of the building, of course, happens to be his chamber, the lawyer's chamber. But having said that, he told team, both Vivek Tanka as well as Salman Khurshid, and of course Kapil Sibal and Singhvi, that let's stop this, I'm going to freshen up, do this press conference, go back to my residence, and then I'm going to wait for the CBI or the ED to come there. As we've been reporting with these pictures, both the teams are right over here. They're going to try and do those investigations. If they want them to accompany him, if they want him to accompany them, then he told them, I'm very ready for that. In fact, if you go and through his statement which he made at the AICC headquarters, that for the next 48 hours and beyond, I'm going to expect and look at some justice coming in from the Supreme Court. I'm going to stay with these pictures of the living room where Mr. Chidambaram, I guess, presumably is waiting for the team, of course, to see, and we are just right outside his residence. So I guess we'll get those clear pictures first whenever the team either takes and escorts him out of his residence.
The billion-dollar question. The billion-dollar question, and not a million-dollar question, but a billion-dollar question right now is Mr. Chidambaram going to be arrested by this team of Enforcement Directorate and Central Bureau of Investigation officers, or whatever questioning that had to be done of Mr. Chidambaram, whatever information which was required by the investigating authorities, is all that questioning, all that interrogation now going to take place inside the residential complex of Mr. Chidambaram, 115A Jorbagh, in the presence of Abhishek Manu Singhvi and Kapil Sibal. Both our reporters are there and giving us live pictures. Vikas Gupta, another lawyer, is here with us in our studios. Vikas, I just want you to tell me, what do you make out of these pictures? When you see ED and CBI officials jumping across the wall and making an attempt to speak to Mr. Chidambaram, do you read this as a sign of CBI and ED officers wanting to arrest Mr. Chidambaram?
I really can't, if you look at the size and the number of the officials that are present, I don't think they've just gone to give him.
Well, out of that's the Enforcement Directorate team also. Now the Enforcement Directorate team, they also try to
भीतर इस बंगले में मौजूद हैं, लेकिन
रिहाइशगाह पर पहुंच चुकी है और आपको साफ तौर से हम तमाम तर तस्वीर दिखा रहे हैं किस तरह से वहां पर एक हाई वोल्टेज ड्रामा जो है वो चालू है। सीबीआई और ईडी की टीम चिदम्बरम के घर पर पहुंची है। जोरबाग से लगातार तस्वीर हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। दिल्ली में पी चिदम्बरम के घर पर जबरदस्त ड्रामा जो है इस वक्त देखने को मिल रहा है और खासतौर से दीवार कूद कर पहुंचे हैं सीबीआई के जो ऑफिसर्स हैं, 15 से 20 ऑफिसर्स ये बताए जा रहे हैं। साथ ही साथ ईडी की टीम भी वहां पर पहुंची है। किसी भी वक्त पी चिदम्बरम की गिरफ्तारी हो सकती है। सीबीआई और ईडी की टीम चिदम्बरम के घर पर है और कांग्रेस के कई सीनियर लीडर भी इस वक्त पी चिदम्बरम के साथ वहां पर देखे गए हैं। कपिल सिब्बल, अभिषेक मनु सिंह भी पी चिदम्बरम के साथ बताए जा रहे हैं। तो दिल्ली से लगातार ये अपडेट हम आपको दे रहे हैं। सीबीआई की टीम, ईडी की टीम पी चिदम्बरम के घर पहुंची है। दीवार फांद कर सीबीआई की टीम जो है वो चिदम्बरम के घर में दाखिल हुई। इस टीम में 15 से 20 ऑफिसर्स
The backside gate into Chidambaram houses. ED officer